All for Love by John Dryden. Full title: All for Love or the World Were Lost, year 1677, and it is a tragedy written in blank verse. Its setting is Alexandria and based on Antony and Cleopatra by William Shakespeare. Its theme: love versus duty. Dryden focuses only on the last phase of Antony and Cleopatra's life, unlike Shakespeare's wider story. Main characters: Antony's side, Mark Antony, Roman hero, torn between love and duty. Ventidius, loyal Roman general, Cleopatra. And Dolabella, Antony's friend, once loved Cleopatra. Octavia, Antony's lawful wife, sister of Caesar. Cleopatra's side, Cleopatra, queen of Egypt, Antony's lover. Alexis, Cleopatra's young, clever but manipulative. Charmian, Cleopatra's attendant. Others, Serperian, priest predicts doom. Octavius Caesar, Roman ruler of stage presence. Summary: Act 1. Serpian predicts disaster, storms, Nile flooding. Ventidius arrives and urges Antony to leave Cleopatra and return to Rome. Antony is conflicted but agrees to consider it. Act 2. Cleopatra feels lonely without Antony. She sends gifts to win him back. She proves her loyalty by rejecting Caesar's offer. Antony is convinced and declares his love again. Act 3. Antony returns victorious but confused. Octavia, his wife, arrives with children. She asks Antony to return to Rome and duty. Cleopatra and Octavia confront each other. Love versus duty conflict. Act 4. Antony decides to leave Cleopatra. Misunderstanding: Ventidius and Octavia think Cleopatra and Dolabella are lovers. Antony believes this false news, feels betrayed. He rejects Cleopatra. Act 5. Tragic end. Antony fights Caesar but is betrayed. Alexis falsely tells Antony that Cleopatra is dead. Antony tries to commit suicide. Cleopatra returns and finds Antony dying. Antony dies in her arm. Cleopatra kills herself, snakebite. Tragedy ends with their dreams. Major themes are love versus duty, tragic misunderstanding, honor and loyalty, conflict between emotion and responsibility. Important point: Dryden follows classical unities, time, place, action. Entire action happens in Alexandria, more structured and moral than Shakespeare's version. Focus is on emotional tragedy, not political drama. Short summary: All for Love is a tragedy by John Dryden that depicts the final days of Antony and Cleopatra. Antony is torn between his duty to Rome and his love for Cleopatra. Due to misunderstandings and betrayal, Antony believes Cleopatra has been unfaithful and later dead. In despair, he attempts suicide. Cleopatra returns, but Antony dies in her arms. Unable to live without him, Cleopatra also kills herself.